Okay, YouTube, I'm going to show you how to pull these piece of shit well nuts out. These are what hold the casters on this toolbox, and I'm going to put a piece of angle iron painted black to support the wheels, which flex on the bottom. Here's my dog. She's going to try to help, but she doesn't have opposable thumb. To get these well nuts out, I'm taking a 9/16 focus, you fuck piece of shit. Okay, 9/16 wrench as a spacer is because it clears the flange on the well nut. Here's the stock hardware with 3 washers added. Okay, let me set this here and show you how we yank this fucker out. Just tighten this. I'm going to back this up, add a couple more washers here. And that son of a bitch is out.